Welcome to Car Magica, your hub for in-depth reviews, expert breakdowns, and the latest updates on vehicles, motorhomes, and more. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Whisk Camper, a retro-modern marvel in the mobile living world that redefines compact travel with style, charm, and smart functionality. Known for pushing design boundaries, Whisk brings us a unique three-wheel RV that's small in footprint but big on personality and innovation. The 2026 Whisk Camper turns heads with its nostalgic silhouette and pastel mint exterior. Crafted on a lightweight three-wheel platform, this micro RV is designed for urban explorers and weekend adventurers alike. The rounded body, chrome accents, and vintage-inspired port windows evoke mid-century trailer vibes, while details like a circular side window, polished hubcaps, and a TC entry step create a blend of elegance and practicality. Despite its compact size, this camper makes a bold visual statement wherever it rolls. Powering the Whisk is a compact yet capable electric hybrid drivetrain, optimized for efficiency and city-to-country versatility. With regenerative braking, whisper-quiet operation, and a max range of over 200 miles. This RV is perfect for those looking to travel light with a smaller environmental footprint. Its rear-wheel propulsion, tight turning radius, and low center of gravity make maneuvering effortless. Whether you're gliding through urban streets or setting up at a cozy forest retreat, inside the Whisk offers a surprisingly warm and functional interior with soft ambient lighting, natural wood cabinetry, and clever space-saving design. The cabin feels like a boutique studio on wheels. The interior includes a plush double bed with floral linens, a retractable dining table, modular shelving, and soft close drawers. Even the compact kitchenette is thoughtfully equipped, featuring a dual-burner electric cooktop, under-counter fridge, and artisan ceramic dish set neatly displayed on open shelves. Tech-wise. The 2026 Whisk Camper embraces modern minimalism. A central control tablet manages all core systems, including battery usage, lighting, temperature, and solar panel optimization. A fold-away 24-inch smart display provides entertainment, paired with a discreetly integrated Bluetooth sound system. While this RV doesn't chase maximalism, it keeps you connected where it matters, including onboard Wi-Fi, USB-C charging ports, and app-based climate control. Safety is cleverly integrated to the camper. Comes equipped with hill start assist, anti-tip stabilization, rear-view camera, and impact-absorbing body panels. An emergency power disconnect, cabin motion detector, and smoke and CO2 alarms are all standard. So even this little rig packs peace of mind into every mile. The 2026 Whisk Camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a design-forward expression of slow travel and sustainable freedom. With its compact charm, cozy interior, and clever engineering, this three-wheel RV invites adventurers to take the scenic route, park close to nature, and enjoy life off the grid in beautiful simplicity. Whether you're escaping for a solo retreat or a romantic weekend, Whisk ensures that style and comfort ride with you. If you enjoyed this full review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Car Magica for more detailed insights into the latest vehicles, RVs, and automotive technology. We're here to keep you informed, inspired, and ready to hit the road in style.